Kia ora guys, welcome to another flip video session. Today we are learning to use metaphors in our writing. Why do we want people to have vivid pictures in their heads when they are reading? Have a think about that. So what is a metaphor? Metaphors make direct comparisons between two things. Metaphors say one thing is something else without using the words like or as. For example, the village was hidden beneath a blanket of snow. Or, life is a roller coaster. So that second one there is saying life is a roller coaster. It has its ups and its downs. But enjoy the ride. Let's check out some more examples. Metaphors can be used to describe people. My little brother is a monster. My teacher is an encyclopedia. So here we've made direct comparisons. We're saying the little brother is a monster, and we're saying the teacher is an encyclopedia. So again, my little brother is a monster. That metaphor there is telling us he's really annoying and is badly behaved. The second metaphor, my teacher is an encyclopedia, that's inferring to us that the teacher is very intelligent or has lots of knowledge. So why do we use them? Metaphors make writing and reading more interesting. If a writer uses literal language all the time, it's boring. Metaphors help to keep the reader engaged. They can be used to create a mental picture. Most readers imagine in their mind what the story is telling them. They help the reader see the scene in their head. Alright guys, don't forget to highlight where you have used metaphors in your own writing. I'm expecting to see lots. Remember, metaphors are direct comparisons between two things. Cheers.